In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to open Themes app. Following that, tap on Themes section at the bottom left corner and click on one of those right away. If you want to, you can also tap on the search bar, type in wherever you wish to, and click on the best theme for you over here. I will go with this one though. When you're ready, choose download at the bottom and then click on customize. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to and save them by tapping on apply. But I want to apply all of those options, so I have to go back and hit apply over here. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access Themes app again but this time select Profile at the bottom left corner. Now click on Themes next to Wallpapers and pick one of those default ones, Limitless or Classic. Lastly, hit apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!